Good evening, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll. So I'm currently in the Epcot parking lot. I usually do not start my vlogs off in the car, but it's extremely pouring and rainy. I mean, I expect that because we're in Florida and it's like rainy season in the summer, but I thought it was gonna be one of those rainstorms that rain for a few minutes and stop, but it's been like this for the last 30 minutes. And like, I didn't bring an umbrella. Like, I thought it was just gonna be like cloudy and stuff, and I get to the parking lot and look, you guys, I gotta show you this. Look at that. This is from the car. It's just non-stop rain. This is what I've been looking at for the last 30 minutes. So hopefully it clears up soon so I can enjoy the first day of Food and Wine Festival. So like I was saying, it's July 14th, 2022. It is the first opening day of Food and Wine Festival, and you guys know how much I'm a foodie, so I was like super excited to get here and like try all these booths. But now, due to the weather, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to do all of that. Even if I do like one or two, I'll be happy at least to try some of the food items here for Food and Wine Festival. I don't know how much I'm gonna fit in because the park closes at 9 and it's like almost 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna have like probably less than 2 hours to try to cram everything. But you know, perks about being a pass holder, I can just come back another day and try the other food booths. I'm gonna be joining with my friend Bao.
Hey,
I know you guys have never seen him in the vlog because it's the first time we've ever been to the theme park together. So nice. He's a foodie too. So we come to Disney just for the food. So the rain has cleared up just a little bit. It's still drizzling, but it's not pouring like it was when I was in the car. And now I'm at the entrance of the Food and Wine Festival. I'm so excited to try all the yummy foods around World Showplace. Alright, so we're gonna go to the Brewing of the Odyssey, and this is what they have on their menu. It's mostly wings, so they have like sticky wings, garlic parmesan wings, buffalo wings, lime wings. Oh, they got jerk spice wings and crispy Brussels sprouts. So everything looks pretty good. Let's go see what they have in here. You guys, whenever you come to these festivals, I recommend getting one of the festival passport books, because in here it'll tell you where all the food booths are, where they're located. It's very convenient while you're at the Food and Wine Festival. So Bao and I decided to get 2 different kinds of wings. We got the sticky wings with peanut sauce and grape gel, which is this one over here. And then the second one is the dry rub jerk spice wings with papaya chili sauce. So the first wing I'm gonna try is the PBJ.
Did you get a fork?
And this is what it looks like right here. It's pretty hot. Here, I'm gonna try this real quick. Wow, it's actually really, really good. It's like a mixture of like sweet and tangy at the same time, but so far so good. Okay, next I'm gonna be trying the Jamaican jerk wings. It's not as spicy as I thought it was gonna be, but it's pretty good. But so far, my favorite's still the PBJ wings. The first ones I tried, I think those were my absolute favorite. The next booth we're going to is called the Flavors of Fire, and we're literally here just for the Rocky Road chocolate cake, which is $4.25. And in case you're wondering where this booth is located, kind of near the test track area, like right before you go to World Showplace.
Did I get it back?
What did you think about the wings that we just had?
Oh, great. Yeah, especially like the...
He likes the spicy Jamaican jerk. Yeah, that was his favorite, but I still said the PBJ was mine. I think because he said it was more like...
Yeah, it just has more flavor, a lot more spice. The sticky ones they live up to the name. It's definitely more sticky.
Oh yeah, I mean both the wings are really messy. Make sure you bring lots of napkins and the little wet like towel things, because your hands are gonna be sticky. Like just like the name of the wings.
Just like the name of the wings.
So this is the chocolate, the Rocky Road chocolate ganache cake. And then right next to it, it's so funny. The reason why my friend specifically wanted to get this item, because it's the same name as literally his first name. Right, Bao? Your name is Bao, so you had to get a Bao. Bao and Bao. Bao meets Bao. All right. Camera always eats first. Bao wanted to eat the food first. He's like, oh, you're not gonna get it. I was like, no, camera eats first. So I'm gonna be trying the chocolate cake first, because I really wanted something sweet. We just had something savory. So I'm gonna dig into it. It has like marshmallows and a lot of chocolate. So It's really good. It's very rich, but if you like chocolate, definitely recommend it. I'll try a little piece of his bao. Alright, now I'm gonna tear up Bao's bao. I mean, it's a bao, what can you say? You can't blame it. I had to make a quick stop here at Joffrey's because I wanted my coffee fix, and they have this new one thing called the Castaway Cold Brew cream combination of Joffrey's shaken Jamaican nitro and sweet cream for $6.39. This is a non-alcoholic drink, but you can get one with alcohol if you like vodka, koa liquor. That one's $13.99. All right, so I was glad, like there was no line, so I literally went up here. Oh, by the way, guys, when you go to Joffrey's, show your pass holder, your annual pass holder, because you can get a discount here at Joffrey's. I know not like every place here in Epcot take it, but it never hurts to ask, so it saves, you know, a couple dollars or whatever. It's so refreshing. I always need my coffee fix in the parks, and this is one of my favorites. So next up, we're in the Germany Pavilion, and Bao told me that the Strudel, I don't know how to pronounce that word, is pasta grated with ham, onion, and cheese of $5, and then we're also going to get the apple strudel with vanilla sauce, and that's $4.25. I really don't remember how to pronounce his name because it's in German, but it's basically like a cheese dish. And then the second thing we got was the apple strudel because I wanted something sweet to go with it, but these are the two dishes from the Germany Pavilion. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna try is actually the cheese thing that Bao recommended. I've never had this before because usually when I go to the Germany Pavilion, I usually just get the same thing every single time. So I'm gonna be actually trying something different. So it has like ham and cheese in it. You know, it kind of reminds me of a little bit like an omelet. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna take a little bite of the apple strudel and see how this one is. Oh, come on. It's like breaking apart. Alright, this is the apple strudel now. It's a really good dessert dish. Guys, this is pretty cool. So in the American Pavilion, I didn't know they had like concerts going on. I just walked past and I'm like, who's performing over there? So it was the Baha Men. They're the guys that sings Who Let the Dogs Out, you know? But they were playing other songs, obviously. But it's cool to watch a free concert by the American Pavilion. To close up the night, we're going to be riding Soarin. It's only a 15-minute wait. So we're going to do this and end our night because the park's about to close in like 15 minutes. Alright, so we just got out of Soarin. It said 15 minutes, but we really didn't wait like that. It was more of a walk-on, and we got the front row. I love being in the front row of rides. Maybe we might catch the real fireworks when we get out of here because it started about 10 minutes ago, so we might be catching the ending of it. I mean, I've seen it before, so I'm not mad that I didn't get to see the beginning of it, but we'll see what happens when we get out of Soarin. Okay, I might be able to catch like the very end of it because like Like I said, the show started about 15 minutes ago, but wow. Let me move over to the side a little bit so you guys can have a better view because the trees are in my way. But wow. Guys. Now I'm in the Creation shop. I wanted to check out their merch. First thing I noticed is their spirit jersey for the Epcot Food and Wine Festival 2022, and that's the back of it. These are $74.99. And look at this really cool shirt Bo was looking at. Nice button-up shirt. This one is for, whoa, $125. Wow. They also have a bunch of different cups. These are a really nice cup. I gotta show you guys this. This nice Food and Wine Festival cup. This one is for $34.99. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. There you go. $34.99. And then they have the glass cups over here. Be very careful. I don't want to break it. This one is for $19.99. They have Wine Your Way Around the World magnets. These ones are $14.99. Look at the magic bands. That's pretty cool for Food and Wine this year. These are $39.99. And they have plenty available, as you can see on the shelf. They have a shirt, a cotton t-shirt. This one is $36.99. Is there anything in the back? No. They have the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival ears. These ones are for $29.99. So they do have some annual pass holder stuff. There's the mug, the annual pass holder food and wine mug. This one is for $19.99. And then, oh, that's the pins. That's cool. So they have a limited release Food and Wine Festival 2022. How much is that one? $17.99. Is this a pass holder t-shirt? Oh yeah, it says pass holder on the bottom with Rennie. That's pretty cool. Let's see how much this one is. Trying to find a little tag. Oh, on the bottom. $29.99. And then they have Tarvis cups too. This one is for $29.99. Guys, one thing about leaving Epcot immediately after the fireworks, like when the park closes at 9, is going through this herd of people because it's such a compact spot trying to get to the parking lot. Alright guys, this is going to conclude the ending of the first day of Food and Wine Festival 2022. We're now headed to the parking lot. Overall, it was a great time. In the 2 hours we were here, we accomplished a lot. Like, I thought the rain was gonna ruin the trip, but it didn't last that long. So first thing we did was get the wings. Was really good. Like I said, the PB&J was still my favorite, but I'll prefer the spicy wings more. Yeah. And then we headed over, we actually backtracked a little bit to the Flavors of Fire to get the chocolate cake. The chocolate cake was very rich. It was sweet, but I still loved it. And then, like I was telling you earlier, Bao had to get the Bao. And then, where did we head after that? Oh, Germany. We went to Germany to get the apple strudel, which was really good, and the, I don't even know how to say it.
Mac and cheese, or the...
How do you say it?
I don't
It's such a hard name. It's a German name. It's hard to pronounce, but it was made with a lot of cheese in it. You're a cheese lover, I definitely recommend it from the Germany booth. And then after that, we were pretty full. Like, even though the portions here at Food and Wine Festival is small, it's very filling. After like 3 or 4, you're like stuffed. So we have to come back again, and hopefully we get to go get the fries. Because the fries booth was closed early, like at 6 o'clock. And I was like, whoa! So next time we gotta come back earlier so we can definitely try the fries flight. And then we get to ride Soarin, which was awesome. It was, you know, a walk-on. And I was so happy to catch the ending of the fireworks because I really wanted to see that too. So that was nice. Overall, I hope you guys enjoy this first day of Food and Wine Festival with us. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Oh, let me know in the comments below. Are you guys planning to come, or have you been yet? I know it's just the first day, but this festival, I think it runs till November. It's a very long festival for a couple months, so you guys don't have to rush to come out here. But like I said, hope you guys enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next adventure. Bye.